Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. While I was at work, I got this package, which is my Demonia platform shoes. So I'm going to unbox them for you guys really quick. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna tape it. Oh my god. Oh, I opened it upside down. Oh my god. Let's put it.
Look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. I am so excited. Y'all ready? Ooh. I love the packaging. Let me pull it out. That's how it comes packaged with this nice little paper. And when we pull them open, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at them. Oh, look at this. Looks so freaking good. Oh, these are the Camel 203s. They're very light, very beautiful. I got the shiny ones. Look at them, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try them on another video for you guys. And now I am at work, guys, but this is how they look. Isn't that cute?